Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear viewers. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey to explore the beauty and elegance of the Sindhi alphabet. The Sindhi script is a graceful writing system that has been captivating language enthusiasts for centuries. Today, we'll dive into the fundamentals of the Sindhi script, discover its unique characters, and learn how to pronounce each letter correctly. So, let's get ready to unravel the mysteries of the enchanting Sindhi alphabet. But before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming language and culture explorations. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and learn the Sindhi alphabet together.
Alif, Be, 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 Te, The, Tha, Te, Ta, The, Se, Pe, Jim, Ye, Je, Nye, Che, Che, He, He, Dal, De, 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 Zal, Z, Zal, Z, Re, Re, Ze, Sina, Sheena, Swad, Zwad, Toe, Zoe, Ain, Ghain, Fe, Pe, Qaf, Kaf, Khe, Gaf, Ge, Ghe, Nge, Lam, Mim, Nun, Re, He, Hamzo, Vav, Va, He, Hamzo, Ye.
0, and there you have it, the Sindhi alphabet in all its splendor. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the intricacies of this fascinating script. Remember, mastering the Sindhi script opens the door to understanding the rich literary and cultural heritage of the Sindhi-speaking people. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in exploring the beauty of Sindhi. And if you haven't already, Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting language and cultural content like this. Thank you so much for joining me on this delightful linguistic adventure. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the world of languages.